Hello, I'm going to give you a little bit of a tutorial on how to go into Clever and use the apps that are there, especially Google Classroom. Most of you know how to get in, but for your parents, they might want to know what it looks like. So you're first going to go to clever.com. You log in as a student using your password. If you don't remember what your password is, please have your parents message me on Class Dojo and I will give it to them. So once you log in, you're going to go to different apps. And so we have iReady, which is something that you could be practicing right now this week. And we also have different ones that I added before we left school, like Extra Math, Quill, and then I added Epic and Freckle recently, and Duolingo if you want to do that just for fun. So once you are on Clever, you're going to click on Google Classroom. Once you get to Google Classroom, it might ask you for your password again. So sometimes it'll look like this. And then this is what your page will look like. So your assignments will be where it says Stream, right here on this side. If you click on Classwork, it'll show you things that we've done in the past, but you'll see new things starting next week. Your assignment for this week is to please go onto Google Classroom, read the post, and comment so that I know that you were able to log in. So if you have any questions, please make sure to message me on Class Dojo. See you soon.